Thanks for getting the video, and here is the test. So this is Oraimo Bommpop 2, and then this, which is the second one, is the Oraimo Bommpop 2S. So there is the Bommpop 2S, and then this is Oraimo Bommpop 2. Now the differences between these devices, they all have buttons. They all uses buttons to control. Just that the Oraimo Bommpop 2S uses gesture control. What do I mean by gesture control? Which means that I can just have my device like this, and then I will do this or do this. So this for pause and play, and then also this for next songs. So you can just sit like this and be doing this, and then to go to the next song, you do this, go to the next song, or you do this to pause, you do this to play. So that's one difference that the device has with the Bommpop 2 and Bommpop 2S. So the 2S has gesture control, but the Bommpop 2 has no gesture control. Okay, and one thing is the battery. The Oraimo Bommpop 2, which is this one, is able to last up to 60 hours. I have tested and I can confirm for you that it works very fine according to the hours given. I gave it highest volume with just song on replay for 2 to 3 days, and it was between that range. So trust me, the time given is what the device comes with. Okay, but with this one, it doesn't come or doesn't meet the 60 hours. It gets to 50 hours and then it goes low. Okay, they all have the same charging speed within 1 hour 30 minutes, and then they are all fully charged. But with this, the battery lasts up to 50 hours. Okay, so no more than 60, or not up to 60. But with the Bommpop 2, it's able to last. So because of the gesture control, that is why this is not able to reach the 60 hours, but this has the 60 hours. So if you're asking me of the difference between this has gesture control, which is the Bommpop 2S has gesture control, and then the Bommpop 2 has no gesture control. Speakers are amazing, everything works fine. If you want to know the full review about the device, you can check in the comment section or the description of the video and know more about it as well. Stay alive and bye for now.